gonna fucking die tonight, boys.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Ryan House turns to rubble.
So, I just got... Oh, what the fuck? So, I just got another Amber Alert on my phone, right? Or another alert. Extreme warning! Take shelter now! Tornado into your area until 11:45. Check local media. Literally said, extreme warning! A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Hilton Head Island, moving north at 50 miles per hour. Hazard radar indicated rotation, impact, flying debris will be dangerous. Locations impacted include Hilton Head Island, Bluffton. So Hilton Head Island is 5 minutes away from me. and I am in Bluffton, so that's
yeah, that's pretty epic.
What the fuck, dude? Is this person leaving in their car right now? Like, I'm getting the fuck out of here. No tornado's gonna get me. I'm making another announcement. Well, I mean, you can't evacuate from a tornado. I'm making another announcement, right? A tornado. Stream announcement. Hey, hey gamers. A tornado is about to destroy my town. Come while I'm still alive. We are in storm mode, baby.
Oh my god, I'm glad you're here. This might be our last VPC with Ryan.
Are you actually gonna die?
I don't know what's happening. I just got an alert on my phone that was literally extreme warning. Tornado.
Fuck? Serious gamers, we are in tornado mode.
We are in tornado mode. The webcam's coming on.
Here it comes. You hear that? That's the sound of a tornado. It is coming for you.
You know.
Oh shit! There it is again.
This actual life or death situation is pretty fitting for the scary game stream.
It really is. If you really just think about it, this is like the ultimate conclusion.
Yeah.
My life on the
Nighttime
line.
television. It ends because Ryan dies in a fucking tornado.
We got extreme warning. This is the fucking dumbest. What is happening? Let's go get tornado simulator.
Ryan, with my magic ball, I can see the future.
Am I alive? No.
Probably. No.
Dude, Crazy Monkey Games, dude.
Crazy Monkey Games.
The universe swayed and swirled, and the monstrous horn of a unicorn gored the world. Press 1 to insert.
Just about 10 minutes ago, a train spotter reported a tornado 7 miles west of Anthony. That's a tornado on the ground, by the way, or 6 miles southeast of Attica.
Whoa!
Yeah. Oh yeah, he did.
Yeah! Yeah!
Oh,
Yeah, this is my fucking town right now. This is Bluffton, South Carolina, getting fucking annihilated. This game is actually really fun. Kind of sad to me, the last game I ever played.
The current score is 9,207,550.
I'm a good tornado.
You killed a lot.
Oh,
of
you're
people.
so good at this game.
Oh, it's coming, boys.
What if your life is just a crazy monkey game and the tornado that's gonna hit you is just some like bigger Ryan smashing with spacebar?
Yeah! That's what I fucking want, dude.
play Guitar Hero right now.
I should.
Clone Hero. Pull it up.
Play some
Play.
I'll play Rock Like a Hurricane. I hope, like, midway through this song, right? It just...
You could just hear in the background.
Good thing my...
Ryan, you're really good at this game.
Yeah. Playtime plan.
Wow, my buttons aren't working!
Don't blame the controller.